This is the front looking west. This is looking from the alleyway on the back side of the house. It has a very big backyard. I hated mowing it. This is a view as you come into the front door. On the left, we had our kitchen table. The window on the right, we had a great big swamp cooler, which was our air conditioner. And then there was a couch along the wall to the right. And that was it. These are pictures of the basement. I'm not sure what they've done with it, but I think I kind of recognize it. We did have some tile up on the roof at one point. This is storage. I don't know where. I think back in the northwest corner. This is the kitchen looking out towards the back door. And the stairs that went down, they've obviously improved those and enclosed them. The washing area, that's in the northwest corner of the basement. And I think this is my old bedroom downstairs. And in the kitchen, tiny, tiny kitchen. Very tiny kitchen. Again, looking out towards the back door. And this is the bedroom I think that I had when I was a little tiny kid. The bathroom, tiny, tiny bathroom. And the bathroom again from the hallway. And this is my parents' room back in the day. It was on the front. More of a view from upstairs. When I lived there back then, my mother would very frequently complain about how small the house was. I thought she was crazy. I thought it was huge. It was wonderful. It was big. Now that I'm older and see with adult eyes, I know exactly what she was complaining about. It is tiny.